Welcome back to the channel. It's Pedro from Scippy Marketing, and today we're going to be creating our Google Ads account. It's not as hard as you think. It's actually quite easy, and the only pre-requirement or prerequisite is that you have a website or a Google business profile. Okay, so in order to create a Google Ads account, first we need to go to ads.google.com. So let's do that now. Once we're in, we'll see a page that looks like this. You want to go ahead and press the most obvious button on the page, the Start Now button. Next, you want to add your business information. After that, create your ads. And after that, set your budget. But number one is what we're going to be focusing on today. What's your business name? Well, our business name is Scippy Marketing, so let's go ahead and put that in. Where should people go after clicking your ad? Now, you're going to want to either put a business phone number, your app download page, or your website. If you don't have a website, you can put your Google business profile in this field. I like to put my phone number because I'm a fan of call ads. So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone number.
If you're one of my clients, you could click create an account without a campaign. And from here, you select your currency, time zone, and country. Continue. All right. Don't worry about the promotional code. You may be offered one while you're in the account. Set up your payment method and agree to the terms and conditions. Read them if you want. I never read them. Want personalized campaign guidance from a Google Ads expert? No, thank you. Get tips, promo offers, testing and feedback opportunities, and new feature invitations by email? Sure, why not? All right, and from here, we should be good to submit. And just like that, guys, welcome to Google Ads. You can continue to your account here where you can have an overview of everything and anything and do a little exploring. It might be overwhelming at first, but yeah, this is your Google Ads campaign. And if you are one of my clients, all you would have to do from here is sit back and relax while I get everything done for you. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you'll have to spend a considerable amount of time learning how this thing works before you actually put your real dollars in. If you're trying to set it up yourself, now we can continue to the rest of the video.
Next, add more information to save time during setup. But you can actually link your YouTube channel if you like as well. But we're not going to go into that today. Let's just click next. Choose your goal for this campaign. Whether you're looking for purchases, submit lead forms, phone call leads, page views, or brand awareness, that's up to you. But for today's demonstration, we're going to do phone call leads.
All right, guys, and from here, what are some words or phrases people use when searching for your products or services? So for me, it might be digital marketing or marketing agency or lead generation. And I would put as many search terms in here as you can possibly think of, but make them concise and direct to the point to what you offer. Next, we set up our location, our languages, and we can move on to the next section. Let everything set up. And over here, you need your final URL for people to be able to click. Normally, you would put your website in here, but if you don't have a website, you can actually put your shareable link for your Google business profile. If you don't have that, you can click the link above, and I'll link it in the description as well on how to make a business profile for yourself, and then you can put that in, but you need it to continue. So we'll put our Google business profile in here, no problem. And now we want a headline for our ads. Toronto's #1, that's right, Toronto's #1 best marketing agency. Call now to schedule a call now for a consultation, available 24/7. Next, we could choose to put more headlines in if we want. We don't have to if we don't want to. Here's your long headline. For your long headline, you're gonna write something like Toronto's #1 digital marketing agency ready to bring you clients and projects. You can write whatever you want. For your description, you want to write something. You want to use up all 60 of the characters and all 90 of the characters in here as you see fit. Okay, so for this one, I'm just going to write the best in the city as an example. Generation. Now I only use 40 out of 60, 74 out of 90, but for you, I'm going to tell you, and I recommend for you to do 60 out of 60 if possible, 90 out of 90, or as close as possible to that you can. Business name will be Scippy Marketing. All right, guys. So now we have our images. Now we need to put our logo in. Let's go to upload. Let's go to upload from computer. Let's put our logo in. Boom, there's our logo. Now add features to your ads to get more clicks, videos, site links, calls to action. You can add all of these. I recommend you add as much as you can to your ad to make it as efficient and good as possible. Now automatically created assets. Now we can text assets. We don't need to do this right now. We don't need to touch it. We don't need to touch any of this stuff. Campaign URL options. We don't need to touch that stuff. We're just trying to get our Google Ads account set up right now, and we can optimize everything later. Now, what do we want to focus on? We can focus on conversions. Conversions are great because we want those nice phone calls coming in, and we can start off with a budget of $4.45 a day. That's going to give us a nice steady stream of leads coming in. And now we're going to add our payment details. All right, guys, and from here, you'll go ahead and put in your payment information, and you will be all done. One personalized campaign guidance from a Google Ads expert iPhone. I say no because these people don't genuinely want to help you. They'll just give you the basic stuff and get tips, promo offers, testing, feedback opportunities, and new feature invitations by email. Yes. And then you can go ahead and click the submit button. Organization, individual, Scippy Marketing, put in your address, city, all that stuff. All right, guys, and once you're in, you will be all done and ready to market yourself on Google Ads. If you need any help, you can reach out to me. We're always happy to help our clients with whatever they need, whether it's lead generations or just guidance in the right direction. I'm happy to help. And that wraps up the video for today, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll keep posting more advanced stuff as we continue on through the journey of this channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you again real soon. This is Pedram from Scippy Marketing, signing out.